First, to make your dough, you're going to add 1 cup of self-rising flour to your bowl. Then you will add a cup of any non-flavored Greek yogurt to your mix. Then you're going to mix all your ingredients together and form the dough. You're going to want to pick up the dough and form it into a ball. Then you're going to flatten out your dough as best as you can. Now you're going to add all your preferred toppings to the pizza. Now you'll put it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes depending how well done you like your pizza.